Every morning an India wakes up. India that makes the headlines. But there is also a developing India that rarely reaches the headlines. Where every morning, a health worker begins her day visiting pregnant women. With her mother care kit in hand, she ensures every heartbeat is safe. In return, a cup of tea, a shared laugh, and conversations. This is the India we are building. Where in rural Karnataka, people who were once confined to their beds are now back on their feet, living and dreaming again. Step by step, we are building. Where in a school in Kashmir, a new curriculum is taking root. Teachers become friends, and classrooms turn into safe spaces, where students speak with confidence and smile without fear. One classroom at a time, we are building. Where fishermen in Kerala return from the sea, not just with their catch, but with nets full of plastic waste. Plastic that women groups transform into bags and art, breathing life into the ocean that is their lifeline. This is the India we are building. Over the last 10 years, with the strength of our grassroots NGO partners, we have been building this nation from within, nurturing its roots, strengthening its identity. HCLTech Grant, building a nation from its deepest roots.